Namaskara. I am Dr. Harihara Murthy. I am an ENT specialist practicing in Bangalore for more than 3 decades now. The hearing apparati is made up of the outer, middle, and inner ear. The outer ear, which is stopped at the level of the eardrum, brings in the sound, and the vibration of the eardrum is transmitted by a mechanism of three jointed bones from the eardrum to the inner ear. The last of the three, which is like a sterup in shape, moves like a piston and stimulates the nerves inside the inner ear. This is known as the stapes. The stapes mobility is required for normal hearing. When the mobility of the stapes is restricted or stopped by way of a hardening of bone around it, that will give rise to a reduction in the hearing in that patient. This is referred to as a conductive loss. So, to reinstate the stapes mobility, we do not remove the bone, but this is corrected by way of actually placing a piston attached to the other bone, which is known as the incus. So, this piston moves into the inner ear by way of a small hole which is made with a drill or with laser to enable the transmission of sound into the inner ear, which is known as a stapiedotomy, and a prosthesis of the piston is placed inside it. This is the procedure to treat it. If you don't want surgery, what can you do? The only way to treat this person without surgery is to give a hearing aid. The quality of sound will depend entirely on the amount the person is able to perceive with a hearing aid. There are different types of hearing aids available. Let's not go there. But a hearing aid is the only other option to help the person who has this problem. Surgery is the best choice for this person and can give good qualitative hearing afterwards.